When William and Mary took the crown in 1689, they ruled not by divine right, but by Parliament's consent. The Bill of Rights declared that no monarch could suspend laws, raise taxes, or keep an army without Parliament. The age of absolute monarchy was over. After Mary's death, her sister Anne became the last Stuart monarch. In 1707, she oversaw the union of England and Scotland, creating the Kingdom of Great Britain. But with no surviving heir, the crown passed in 1714 to distant relatives, the Hanoverians of Germany. George I spoke little English and cared more for Hanover than Britain. Yet this strengthened Parliament's hand, and real power shifted to ministers like Sir Robert Walpole, the first Prime Minister. Through the 18th century, Britain grew into a global empire. Wars expanded its reach, trade and cities flourished.
Welcome,
But
Your
in
Majesty, to your new
1776,
home.
the American colonies
Indeed.
declared independence.
A new
At home,
era
kings became
begins.
symbols, not rulers. George III, dutiful yet troubled, presided over change. Britain losing one empire while forging another. The Hanoverians secured a new order, a constitutional monarchy, and a nation looking outward to the world.